looking along my pantry shelves, I've noticed I've got quite a glut of tomato chutney, and I've just been reading my preserving book, and it suggested a great way to use up chutney is to turn it into tomato ketchup. Let's give it a go. So I've got 3 jars of chutney and some passata that's left over from yesterday evening, and I'm going to blend those together. So this is green tomato chutney that I made in October 21. Still perfectly lovely. And I made it out of my leftover tomatoes, the green tomatoes that didn't ripen out of the greenhouse. We normally work our way through this, but we had a lot of building work done last year, and I had a lot of my preserves tucked away in boxes and I couldn't get to them. Normally what I'll do is I'll use a good few spoonfuls if I'm making a casserole. It adds a wonderful flavour. There goes to the passata. I might need to add more of this, but I'm going to give it a whiz and a taste test. According to my preserving book, the reason this makes a fantastic ketchup is all of the flavours, all of the yummy goodness that's in the chutney, the same ingredients that you often add to ketchup. I've spared you the blending. No one wants to listen to that noise, but see how brown it is. Actually, I mean, this does not taste like tomato ketchup. I guess if I'd used more passata and less chutney, what it actually tastes like is a barbecue sauce. It's absolutely lovely, and it's just had the seal of approval from hubby. So I'm going to bottle that up. I'm going to process this as you would a ketchup and proceed from here. So I'm going to heat it up, put it into sterilised jars, and then water bath it. When I say water bath, what I often do is pop it in the Instant Pot. It's perfectly safe. That's over processing if anything, but I find it works really well. You must use your own judgment, but anyway, it's going to need processing. And I'll give you the safe USDA instructions for water bathing. So I'm heating this up really gently because it's very thick and I don't want it to burn on the bottom. It really does taste amazing. I imagine this would be fantastic on chicken wings. You get a lovely sweet barbecue chicken wing flavour. Really nice. Of course, I guess the flavour depends on your original flavour profile in your chutney. I make quite a rich, spicy chutney. It has Worcester sauce and other, I can't remember the exact recipe, but it's got, you know, sugar, fruit, bit of chilli, Worcester sauce, all sorts goes in there. While that's heating up, I'm going to sterilise the jars in the Instant Pot. Here's my sterilised jars. I simmered this for 5 minutes. So it is basically a pureed chutney, which was made with 5% malt vinegar. So it is a high acidic food, but you know, you could get litmus paper and test the acidity of it. I'm confident because I made it. If you want to play it safe, keep it in the fridge and use it within a month. I'm really looking forward to using this on all sorts, but particularly looking forward to making the barbecue chicken wings. In the Instant Pot for 10 minutes, which is over processing because according to my book, it says water bath for 10 minutes. So I'm in the USDA Complete Guide to Canning. I'm looking at the pickled green tomato relish. And it says boiling water canner 5 minutes. So I'll be over processing that at about 10 psi for 5 minutes. So you're looking for about 1/2 inch of head space. Fill the jars, wipe them with a clean damp cloth, seal, and then process or store in the fridge. Yum. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. See you next time.